I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. With Windows 7 set to end support here in the next few weeks in early 2020, some may be wondering, well, can I upgrade to Windows 10 for free like we could back in the first year of Windows 10's service life? Well, here's the thing. Microsoft says on their website that free upgrades using the Get Windows 10 app ended back in 2016. But there have been several times where I have posted videos to where you can still upgrade for free using Windows 10 installation media. So I have Windows 10 loaded on a USB stick. It's version 1903. And here we have a Windows 7 system, clean install, activated, ready to go. So let's go ahead and run setup and see what we get. I'm going to select change how Windows setup downloads updates. They know right now. Click next. Let it run through its little setup process here. Now, I posted a video back in 2018 of trying to do this with Windows 10 version 1803, and I would get an error saying Windows failed to validate the product key. However, with 1809 and 1903, it seems to be okay. So we'll accept the license terms, and we'll just continue running through setup here. We are going to do an in-place upgrade on this machine. I'm actually going to set it to wipe everything and do a clean install. Just to help speed up the process a little bit, because we don't need to copy any files or programs over. Select nothing. And we'll choose install. We'll let this run, and once it's done, we'll come back and see if it activates. Okay, everybody, the installation process has completed. Now we just need to go ahead and run through the out-of-box experience, and we'll see what happens here with this thing. Okay, let's go run through the setup here. It's amazing how setup these days does not ask you important questions like, what time zone are you in? What is the date and time? And stuff like that. And they wonder why people are so hesitant to get off of Windows 7. And we are activated. So yep, we can as of December 2019, you can still install Windows 10 and activate it using a Windows 7 product key. Or if you have an existing Windows 7 computer, you can still upgrade to Windows 10 for free. So hopefully that answers your question. Now the thing I'm wondering though is, come January 2020, whenever Windows 7 loses support, I wonder if then we'll still be able to do that. I'll have to do another video later on once we get to that point and see if that's the case, or if things will remain as they are now. It's interesting how in 2016 Microsoft was like, okay, we're going to end the free upgrade offer for Get Windows 10, but the free upgrade offer never really actually ended. It just, they got rid of the Get Windows 10 app from Windows 8 and Windows 7, but you can still get Windows 10 for free using the upgrade, using the media creation tool. One of the reasons why they silently left it this way is when you go and install Windows 10 on at least a more modern computer that has, like, for example, a Windows 8 key embedded in the BIOS, a lot of times it will look for that key and activate using that key. Now for Windows 7 it's a little different, but let's say if one was to do an upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10, and perhaps, I don't know, they change the motherboard or something, or for some odd reason the digital license fails, they could enter that product key and regain activation. Theoretically, that's the idea. But they could still end it at any time if they really wanted to. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.